Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to share an exciting and inspiring project, turning an old worn out sofa into a stunning brand new piece of furniture. If you love sustainability, recycling, DIY projects, then you're at the right place. So let me give you a bit of backstory. This sofa has been in our family for about 12 years now, made of pure teak wood, and hence it has some solid bones, and which is why I decided to not discard it, but to embark on a refurbishing journey. So let's dive into the process and see how it's done. First, we start with the most crucial step, which is assessing the sofa. Inspect it for any weak areas, damages. In my case, I found it needed some help with the loose springs and the worn out fabric. Next, it's time to strip the fabric and padding. Carefully remove the staples and nails, making sure not to damage the frame. This part requires a bit of patience, but trust me, it's worth it. Once the old fabric is off, we move on to repairing and reinforcing the frame. You may use wood glue or clamps to secure any loose joints or check if it needs any extra support. And now comes the fun part. Choosing the new fabric and padding. I opted for a durable, eco-friendly fabric that complements my home decor. I like things to be bright. Clearly, as you can see from the name of my channel, it's a sun-drenched home. So I went with a beautiful pastel yellow shade for my living room. Pro tip: always use high-quality materials to ensure the longevity of your refurbished sofa. And don't forget to add some stylish throw and pillows for that perfect finishing touch. By choosing to recycle and refurbish, we not only save money, on this particular project I've saved on the north of about $1 lakh or more. The entire project has actually costed me somewhere just between 15 to 20K, while a sofa of this scale and proportion and the number of pieces that you see here in the market today costs anywhere between 1 lakh to 2 lakh, and that's the range. But by refurbishing, I have not just saved almost about $1 lakh of rupees on this project, but at the same time, I have reduced our environmental footprint. Remember, every small step towards sustainability counts. Let's continue to make conscious choices and inspire others to do the same. Thank you for joining me on this journey. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up, leave a comment, and don't forget to subscribe for more DIY projects and sustainable living tips. See you next time. Do subscribe, huh?